services of OS. In the services of OS, first one is the program execution. Program execution means what exactly? Whenever a particular user just execute a particular program, it's not matter what exactly program regarding which software or which language. Sometimes the programs are C language, sometimes programs are C++ language, sometimes programs Java language. Means that programs are regarding any kind of a language. Okay, that time that programs are easily executed properly and successfully in a particular softwares. Okay, that kind of a situation, that kind of conditions handled by OS properly and successfully. That is exactly a program execution systems. Okay, now next one is handling input output operations. What exactly handling input output operation means? What? Whenever a particular user just provide instructions and command in a machine through input devices like keyboard, mouse. Okay, now when the after getting instructions and commands in the machine, that time the processor or a machine just provide a proper reply or proper feedback or proper results through output devices, through a printer, through a monitor. That kind of a things is the input output handling operations. Okay, then next one is the manipulating file system. Manipulating file system is what exactly? Whenever a particular programmer or particular user just create a file in the machines. Okay, after creating a file, he just want to just perform some operation or some procedures on that file. Sometimes he just want to delete, then shift delete, then editing the file, manipulating the files. Okay, read only file. Okay, that kind of things are happens successfully regarding in that file. That kind of situation exactly a manipulating file system. Okay, this kind of things done by OS in the systems. Now next one is error handling and detections in the machines. Okay, in the machines or in the system, there is a number of errors or occurs or bugs or occurs in the systems, in the programs, in the files, in the software. That all bugs, all errors are easily finding by a OS in the system through a number of methods, through a number of techniques. Okay, after getting the errors or bugs, after getting the errors or bugs, that kind of errors are easily detection also possible through OS in the systems. Okay, now next one is the resource allocation. Resource allocation means what exactly? The particular program or a particular user just create a number of programs, number of files, number of things in the perform number of things in the machines. Okay, that things, that program, that file are want to provide resources. Okay, that resources exactly provided by OS in the systems means what exactly? Like suppose a particular file, suppose a particular user just create a file. Okay, that particular file is regarding word files. Okay, now after creating a particular word file in the machines, that time suppose a particular user's mind change, he just want to open this file in a other application, in other softwares like in a excels, like in a powerpoint, like in a paint. That kind of things are exactly happens in the OS properly and successfully. Okay, means a proper resources, proper things are allocated particular file or programs. Okay, means which resources exactly manage, which resources exactly match a particular file or particular program. That kind of things is exactly a resource allocations. Okay, now next one is accounting. Accounting means what exactly? Means when a particular user just create a file or program in the machines. Okay, that time the OS just provide a proper details regarding a particular file or regarding a particular program. So like what is exactly a timing, what is exactly date of a particular file, what is exactly extension of a particular program or particular files. That kind of a details properly mention OS on that file, on that programs. That is exactly a accounting. Now last one is the information and resource protection. Means a particular uh, user just insert a particular information or data in the machines or in the system. That time OS just provide a OS just provide a particular protection or security on that information on that system through a number of methods, through a number of tools. Okay, that is exactly information resource protection. That kind of services exactly provided by OS in the system properly and successfully for us.